Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Hannah's Heirlooms, and I have a little bit of a different video today. I wanted to come on here and just quickly share with you happy belated Thanksgiving. It was yesterday, and I normally have a early sale for my channel members and then a regular sale video today, but because it was Thanksgiving, decided to take a break. Everybody take a much needed break and spend it with your family. So I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I did. I got to see all my immediate family on mine and my husband's side, so that was really nice, special time. And I am in a new area. This is my living room. I just thought I'd have a little bit different backdrop. This is a bookcase my husband built when we had antique booths, and I use it to store a lot of our books and also stuff I have for sale on my eBay and Etsy. The hard goods, bigger items, all my jewelry's in a different room that I store there. So yeah, this is just a little corner of my living room. It's always a good idea to count your blessings every day, but especially on Thanksgiving. And I know I normally say something at the end of all my videos and the lives that I do, my live sales, but I want to thank you all again from the bottom of my heart for all the support you share and show me. It really does mean a lot to me. Starting this YouTube channel has given me a lot of meaning and purpose. Some of you may not know, I do resell for a living. This is my job, and I just started selling from my channel probably about a year ago, and it has just grown so much, and I'm so thankful for my customers and for my channel members. I opened that up a few months ago, and just any way that you show support, you like my video, you share it with someone else, or maybe you're just a silent watcher and you don't comment, that's completely fine, but I do love hearing from you guys. I try to give back as much as I can. I reply to all your comments, and sometimes I get emails from people needing help identifying something, wanting their opinion on something, and I get back to you as quick as I can, but I always do, and I truly appreciate it. I do. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. However you show support, it means a lot to me. You guys help keep me going. You guys encourage me. You guys buy my handmade items, which is just super encouraging for me. And actually at the end of this video, I'm going to just share a quick slideshow. I think it's under 2 minutes of pieces I've made this year. I just thought it would be a fun thing to look back on all the pieces I've made. I do try to make more one-of-a-kind pieces. I try to upcycle used broken jewelry pieces I find, or used beads from a broken necklace. That's just something I'm really passionate about, is restoring things and bringing things back to life so that people can continue to appreciate things. There's so much waste in this world, and I just kind of want to help lessen the waste, and also bring your awareness and bring your attention to things, especially older things, and how they were made, and the craftsmanship and some of the history behind the things. These are pieces that deserve to be preserved and kind of kept alive in a sense and appreciated, so that we don't lose that connection with the past, and this doesn't get tossed or thrown away and forgotten. And I guess that has sort of a dual meaning with, you know, people in general. People don't want to be forgotten. People don't want to be alone, and they want to be thought of, and they want some kind of connection. So I always think it's very important that we show appreciation for others and we recognize them. Just a smile goes a long way, you know. Just a simple hi, and you can take it further than that. Maybe help someone that you see that's in need. So yeah, it has saving things has a lot of dual meaning to me that I always think about with people in your own life. So anyways, I'm starting to ramble, but I hope you guys understand that and appreciate that, because it's very important. And I hope you all just had a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving. And yeah, I guess without further ado, we'll look at some of my creations from this past year. I hope you guys enjoy it, and you guys enjoy your weekend. And if you have time, or if you would like to, I will have my live sale on Sunday. I think this is going to be more of a clearance sale. Give you guys a really good deal. It's the end of the month and Christmas is coming, so you know, you may need some gifts, or maybe I'll try to bring some craft items. I know a lot of you like to craft things and make things, handmade items to give to loved ones for the holidays. So I hope you guys can make it for that too. So you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all in the next one.